Hey everyone, welcome to MKLV Repairs. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock any Samsung phone or tablet. It doesn't matter if you have an A10, S24 Ultra, Android 10 or the latest Android 14. This tool works for all of them. Before we dive in, we need to factory reset the phone, remove the pin and check the Google account log. Let's get started. First, to factory reset your Android 14 phone, plug in the power cable. Hold down the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. When the display turns off, quickly switch to holding the volume up button while still pressing the power button. This should take you into the bootloader menu. Here you can use the volume buttons to navigate through the options. Scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume down button, then press the power button to confirm. Once that's done, select Reboot Device and wait for the phone to restart. This process might take a while, so be patient. Now that the phone is back on, we need to confirm it's locked. You should see a lock icon in the top corner of the screen. Proceed with the initial setup process. Usually, when a phone is locked, you will need to connect to Wi-Fi to proceed. So, connect to your Wi-Fi network. As you go through the setup steps, you will be prompted for a previous account PIN or Google account. This is where our tool comes in, as we don't have access to those details. Now let's move over to the computer. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. Your support helps us create more content. On your computer, open the Unlock tool, enter your username and password to log in. The first thing we need to do is click on Read Info to gather all the necessary details from the phone. Wait for the tool to finish reading the information. You should see the status is triggered. Ensure that the cable is securely connected and there are no disconnections. This is crucial to avoid any interruptions during the unlocking process. Also, make sure phone is on welcome screen. Once everything is set, press Unlock FRP in the tool. The tool will read the information again and request the necessary keys. Be patient as this may take a few moments. Let's wait. And there you go. Your phone is now unlocked. Woohoo! Let's set up the phone again to make sure everything is working correctly. You'll notice that you can now turn off Wi-Fi and skip all the previous steps that required the PIN or Google account. This confirms that the phone is fully unlocked. At this point, you might be wondering where to get these credits. Head over to our website mklvrepairs.co.uk and go to the SM FRP section. There you can buy credits and create an account. It's a straightforward process, and once you have your credits, you're ready to unlock your phone.